Today is Easter Day. It is sunny and bright. Momo and Lulu are in the garden. They are looking for Easter eggs.
Look,
Says Lulu.
I found a pink egg.
Momo finds a blue egg.
Yay, an egg!
Suddenly, a colorful egg rolls by. Roll, roll, roll.
Wait! That egg is moving.
The egg rolls faster. Roll, roll, roll.
That egg is running away.
Momo laughs.
Let's follow it.
Says Lulu. They run after the egg. Run, run, run. The egg rolls under a big flower. Then it stops. Momo and Lulu walk closer. Step, step, step. The egg shakes a little. Tap, 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 crack. A tiny head pops out.
Hello.
Says the little turtle.
My name is Tutu. I'm a little shy.
Momo smiles.
Hi, Tutu. Why are you inside an egg?
Tutu looks down.
I wanted to look for Easter eggs,
He says softly.
but I was too shy to say hello. You don't have to be shy.
Lulu says.
We can be your friends.
Momo nods.
Yes, come look for eggs with us. It's more fun together.
Tutu takes a deep breath. He slowly comes out of the egg.
I'll try.
He says. Momo and Lulu smile and wait gently. At first, everyone is quiet and careful. But soon, they all feel happy and relaxed. They start looking for eggs together. Look here, look there. Eggs everywhere. Then Tutu finds a big golden egg.
The biggest egg.
Says Momo.
You found it.
Says Lulu. Tutu smiles.
I'm not shy anymore.
He says. Momo laughs happily.
This is the best Easter ever.
This is the real Momo. He is the sweet star of our slow English stories. We hope you enjoyed our Easter egg hunt. See you next time.